Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
If you ever met someone new and just said, hi, and then nothing, this episode is for you.
Wait, that silence right after hi is one of the scariest moments in learning English, and almost every learner knows it.
Today, you will learn exactly what to say when you meet someone new from the very first second to the end of the conversation.
Real phrases, real examples, nothing complicated.
Whether it's a classmate, a coworker, or someone at a coffee shop, the same small formula works. One time, at a language exchange, someone said hello to me and my brain completely froze. I just smiled and said nothing.
That silence feels so uncomfortable, doesn't it? Both people just standing there, not knowing what to say next.
Exactly. But today, that will never happen to you again.
We give you a simple plan, 3 small parts that work in almost any first meeting anywhere in the world.
One formula, so many new friends waiting to meet you.
Ready?
Ready. Let's turn that scary silence into a real conversation. Here is the formula. Remember 3 small parts: greet, introduce, and ask back.
Greet, introduce, ask back. That is the whole formula.
We will build this step by step with real examples you can use today.
And by the end, meeting someone new will feel exciting, not scary.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. The greeting, your very first words.
This is where most learners freeze, but it only needs to be one small word.
For a relaxed situation, you can say hi or hey.
For a slightly more polite situation, you can say hello.
Wait, here's something most learners don't know. In English, the greeting almost never carries the whole conversation. It just opens the door.
So don't worry about making the greeting perfect. It's just one small word to start.
What do you usually say, Lucy, when you meet someone new?
I usually say, hi, nice to meet you. Short, warm, simple.
I usually say, hey there, how's it going? A little more casual.
Both work perfectly. The greeting just breaks the silence.
Let's practice together. Say hi out loud right now with a smile.
Good job. You just opened the door to a new conversation.
One small word said with confidence is often braver than a long, perfect sentence said with fear. Before step 2, one small tip. A smile matters as much as the words.
A warm smile with even simple words feels more welcoming than perfect grammar with a nervous face.
Good tip. Now let's continue.
Step 2. Introduce yourself with your name.
After the greeting, add your name. This is very simple.
You can say, I'm Tom, or my name is Lucy.
Or, hi, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you. Combining the greeting and your name in one sentence.
Here's the mistake you probably make: waiting too long before saying your name.
Say it early. It gives the other person something easy to respond to.
Waiting too long or forgetting to say it at all can make the moment feel awkward and unfinished. They can simply say, hi Tom, I'm Lucy, and now you both have names.
Names matter. Once you know someone's name, the conversation feels much more personal.
In some situations, like a business event, you might also add your last name. I'm Lucy Chen.
In relaxed situations, like a party, just your first name is perfectly fine.
Feel the room and choose the level that fits. A useful tip if you forget their name quickly is to repeat it right away. Lucy, nice to meet you, Lucy.
This little repeat trick also helps you remember the name better later.
And if you truly forget someone's name later, it's okay to just ask again kindly. I'm sorry, could you remind me of your name?
Everyone forgets names sometimes. Asking again is much better than avoiding their name completely.
Let's practice. Say your own introduction out loud. Hi, I'm...
Great! Now you have a greeting and an introduction ready for any situation.
Step 3. Ask a question back.
This is the most important step of all. Without it, the conversation simply stops.
After introducing yourself, ask something simple back to the other person.
You can ask, "What's your name?" if they haven't told you yet.
Or, where are you from? A very common, friendly question.
Or, "What do you do?" meaning their job or their studies.
Wait, this is important. A question shows real interest and it keeps the conversation alive naturally.
Without a question, the conversation feels like a dead end. With a question, it becomes a real exchange.
Listen to a short example. Hi, I'm Lucy. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hi, Lucy. I'm Tom. I'm from the United States. What about you?
See how naturally that flows? Greeting, name, and a question passed back and forth.
Tom, what about you is a magic little phrase, by the way.
Tell us more about that, Tom.
After you answer a question, adding what about you sends the question right back, without any extra effort.
I'm from Canada. What about you? Simple, and it keeps the conversation flowing smoothly.
You can use it after almost any question. I love pizza. What about you? I work in a shop. What about you?
One small phrase, endless uses. It's one of the most useful phrases in this entire episode.
Quick reminder before we continue. Our formula was greet, introduce, ask back.
Each part is short, but together they build a real, natural conversation from nothing.
The same formula works whether you're 19 or 90, meeting a classmate or a business partner.
The 3-part formula works in almost any first meeting at a party, a class, or a new job.
Good. Now let's add a few more useful phrases for after the introduction.
Step 4. Small talk topics to keep the conversation going.
Once names and basic questions are done, people often continue with small talk.
Safe, easy topics include the event you're both at, the weather, or something around you.
You can say, "This event is great, isn't it?" Or, "Have you been here before?"
If you're at a party, you can say, "How do you know the host?"
If you're outside, you can say, "Nice weather today." A very classic, safe topic.
Here's the mistake you probably make, choosing a topic too personal, too fast, like money or age.
Stick to light, easy topics at first. Save deeper questions for later in the conversation. What's your favorite small talk question, Lucy?
I love asking, "So, what brings you here today?" It works in almost any situation.
I like asking, "How was your day?" Simple, friendly, and easy to answer.
You can also compliment something simple, like, "I really like your jacket," or "This coffee here is amazing."
A small, genuine compliment often opens up a warm, easy conversation.
Just remember, keep it simple and about something visible or shared, not too personal.
For example, a compliment on someone's shoes is safe. A comment on their salary or relationship status is not.
Step 6. How to end the conversation politely.
Sometimes the conversation naturally needs to end. This part matters too.
You can say, "It was really nice meeting you."
Or, "I should get going, but it was great talking with you."
If you want to stay in touch, you can say, "Can I get your number?" or "Are you on social media?"
And a simple friendly close is, "See you around," or "Take care."
Wait, this is important. Ending politely leaves a good, lasting impression.
A warm ending is just as important as a warm greeting at the beginning.
Listen to a short example ending. "It was so nice meeting you, Tom. I hope to see you again soon."
You too, Lucy. Take care and have a great day.
Simple, warm, and complete from start to finish.
If you exchanged contact information, you can also add, "I'll message you," or "Let's stay in touch."
These small closing phrases leave a positive, memorable feeling even after just a short conversation.
Step 6. A few extra icebreaker questions for when you want to keep talking longer.
Sometimes one small talk topic isn't enough. These extra questions help extend the conversation.
You can ask, "Do you come here often?" At a regular place, like a cafe or a gym.
Or what do you like to do on weekends? A friendly, easy question for almost anyone.
Or, have you tried the food here? At a party or restaurant?
Wait, this is important. Icebreaker questions work best when they're about something you both can see or share right now.
That's why the weather, the event, or the food works so well everywhere in the world.
These questions feel natural because they're grounded in the present moment, not random topics.
Try using one icebreaker question the next time you meet someone new.
And if the conversation goes quiet for a moment, that's completely okay too. Silence isn't always awkward.
Short pause gives both people time to think of the next thing to say. Don't panic, just breathe and continue.
Step 7. Put it all together. Now let's build one full first meeting using our whole formula.
Listen to my example. Hi, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Oh, Lucy. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Canada. That's great. I'm from the United States. So what brings you to this event today?
Now listen to my example. Hey there, I'm Lucy, and you are? Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom. What do you do? Oh, a teacher. That's wonderful. I'm a student. How do you know the host of this party?
See? We used many small parts, but it still feels natural, like a real, easy conversation.
Nothing feels rushed. Nothing feels scripted.
That is the perfect balance between simple and real.
Notice neither example used difficult grammar or advanced vocabulary, just clear, confident, simple sentences.
That confidence, more than perfect grammar, is what makes a first meeting feel successful.
Step 8. Practice time.
Now, it's your turn.
Answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Question 1. How do you usually greet someone new?
Question 2. How do you introduce yourself with your name?
Question 3. What question can you ask back right after introducing yourself?
Question 4. What is one small talk topic you feel comfortable using?
Question 5. How do you politely end a first conversation?
Question 6. What is one icebreaker question you could ask about something you both can see right now? Now put your answers together using our formula.
Greet, introduce, ask back. Then add small talk and a polite ending.
Say it out loud in front of a mirror or imagine you are meeting someone right now.
This is the best practice, speaking out loud again and again until it feels natural.
So don't be shy. Try it right now after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time very quickly.
Greet with a smile. Hi or hello.
Introduce with your name. I'm Tom.
Ask back with a simple question. Where are you from?
Add small talk with safe, easy topics.
End politely with warmth. It was so nice meeting you.
And use icebreaker questions to keep the conversation going longer.
6 small parts. 1 complete, natural first meeting.
But remember, you only truly need 3. Greet, introduce, ask back.
The rest add slowly as you feel more confident.
Maybe today you only practice the greeting and your name. That is perfectly okay.
Tomorrow, maybe you add a question back too. Slowly, it all becomes natural.
Learning a language is not a race, it's a walk, one small step at a time.
I love that idea.
Before we finish, let's talk about why this skill matters so much.
Meeting new people happens everywhere. New classes, new jobs, parties, trips, language exchanges.
This one small skill opens the door to real friendships, real practice, and real confidence.
And every single conversation, even a short one, makes your English a little stronger. Some of my closest friends today started as one small hi at a language exchange or a party.
So true. So here is your challenge right now.
Pause this video.
and say your own full introduction out loud using our formula.
Greet, introduce, ask back.
Go on, try it now. We'll wait. Did you do it? Great job. I'm proud of you, truly.
That's it. You just practiced meeting someone new in English. That's a real, useful skill for the rest of your life in any country at any age.
Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
Time goes fast when the topic is so useful.
It really does. This was such a practical episode.
It was. Before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It really helps other learners find our podcast and finally speak up when meeting someone new.
And please share it with a friend who always freezes in that first scary moment.
We want to help as many people as we can, one new conversation at a time.
And now for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comments section below.
Comment below, what do you usually say when you meet someone new?
Write your own greeting and introduction in English right now.
For example, hi, I'm... Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
You can write anything you want. Just make it simple and real.
We would love to read your comments and meet all of you in a small way.
It will be so much fun seeing everyone's own greetings.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure, as always. We are cheering for every one of you.
Stay safe and keep practicing, one conversation at a time.
We will be back soon with another fun episode.
And remember, greet, introduce, ask back.
That's your formula forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Lucy.